Catalytic fines, known widely as cat fines, are abrasive aluminium and silicon oxide particles, or fines. They are used as catalysts in the fluid catalytic cracking process and can be found in residual fuel oil. Concentrations of cat fines entering heavy fuel oil, HFO, vary depending both on the quantity of slurry oils used in the blending process and quantity of cat fines already present in these slurry oils. This accounts for the wide levels of fluctuations of cat fines in heavy fuel oil and in very low sulfur fuel oil, VLSFO. Cat fines are hydrophilic, meaning they are attracted to water molecules and tend to stick to them. The combination of water and cat fines can be difficult to extract from the fuel at the separator levels. Smaller combinations of particles will emulsify and also weakens purification performance. Furthermore, in rough weather, there is the danger of fuel entering purifiers that exceed the maximum capacity of cat fines that the purifiers are able to handle. The hydrophilic nature of cat fines, however, also offers a solution to reduce the risk of damage to engines. By using a surfactant fuel-based treatment solution that facilitates water separation, it will ensure that a sufficient portion of the cat fines will be captured by water molecules in the fuel tanks that can, in turn, then be drained off along with the water. Aderco technology causes the two molecules to repel each other, reducing the surface tension between them, allowing them to be expelled at the centrifuge stage. By regularly and carefully draining the settling tanks, around 50% of the cat fines contained in the fuel will be ejected, helping to better protect the lifespan of machinery and associated equipment. Aderco. Smart solutions.